In this video, I wanted to share my thoughts on whether it's too late to start a YouTube channel in 2024. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at one of the top tech companies with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. For some context, I started my YouTube channel on December 26, 2023, so a couple of days before 2024. So you could say that I basically started my channel in the beginning of 2024. When I was thinking about starting my channel, I've heard a lot that the YouTube ship has already sailed, that the market is oversaturated, and there is no place for newcomers. But I decided to still go for it because I noticed that some of the established finance channels don't have my experiences or my background. Throughout all my research online, I found out that the growth of a YouTube channel tends to be slow in the beginning, but then speeds up. So unlike many people that start YouTube channels and have unrealistic expectations, I'm okay with spending a couple of years to slowly grow my channel. Most people tend to give up on their channels too soon. For me, after my first month of posting videos consistently, I only gained about 5 subscribers. And then over the next 2 months, I gained over 100 new subscribers. At the time of recording this video, I have 142 subscribers. If I had given up after my first month, my channel would be stuck with only 5 subscribers. And I know that 142 subscribers is not a lot compared to other established YouTubers, but I'm quite happy with my performance so far in my first couple of months. Also, none of my subscribers are currently people that I know in real life because I didn't advertise my channel to my family or my friends. They don't even know that I'm recording videos on YouTube now. So all of my viewers and subscribers so far come from YouTube recommending my videos. If you're thinking about starting your channel in 2024 and are afraid that YouTube will not be recommending your videos, that's definitely not true. You can start from 0 subscribers like I did and grow your channel from scratch by just posting videos. You don't need to ask your family or friends to subscribe to your channel, and you don't even need to advertise your videos outside of YouTube. If you post good videos consistently, YouTube will find you an audience itself. So to conclude and to respond to the question at hand, I definitely don't think that it's too late to start a YouTube channel in 2024. You should just go for it, have fun with it, and don't have unrealistic expectations. Even if our channels don't become huge, there's a lot of things we can learn about from creating videos and putting ourselves out there this year. Let me know in the comments if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel this year and what you want your channel to be about. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.